Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. I am Bimo from How to Geek. In today's guide video, we are going to learn how we can actually change our region on our TikTok application. I'm going to give you honest answers, so you want to make sure to watch this video till the end. And if you are new to this channel, then first of all like and subscribe. And without any further ado, let us get started with today's tutorial. Now in today's video, we're about to simply learn how you can change your region or your location on your TikTok and recommend content based on those locations and those regions. So you want to simply make sure to watch today's video till the end. First of all, what you want to do is simply make sure you have actually downloaded as well as installed TikTok to your device. If not, then head over to your device's respective app store. In the search box, you need to type in TikTok and then go ahead and download the first application which comes up on the list. So after you download the application, what I'm going to do is simply open TikTok right over here. As you open TikTok, you want to make sure that you're actually logged into your account. If not, then do so by entering your email address as well as your password. Now, the thing I want to tell you is that there are actually many other videos and solutions where they tell you to change your VPN and then use a VPN in order to change your region on TikTok. That is actually not going to work. In this video, I'm going to simply give you an honest answer on how you can change your region or your location. So at the bottom right hand side of the screen, you'll be able to see this profile button right over here. What you want to do is you want to simply tap on this profile button as you say it. Once you tap on your profile button, it is going to take you to your profile page. So you can see this is how the home layout of the profile page on our TikTok application looks like. So what you want to do is on the top right hand side of the screen, you will be able to see this menu bar. So you can simply tap on this menu bar as you say it, and at the bottom you need to go ahead and select settings and privacy. As you tap on settings and privacy, here at the bottom you can see the tab called content and activity, and here you can see the option called content preferences. So what we want to do is we want to simply tap on content preferences right over here and then tap on video languages, and here you'll be able to see at least one language. So you want to make sure to at least add a single or dual language. I'm going to simply tap on add language, and then first of all I'm going to simply select English. Now once you have English, what you want to do is simply add a language from which country you want your content to be shown and recommended to you on your TikTok account. So you cannot see there are actually not many options right over here, but at least it will get you the hang of it. So the thing is that TikTok actually doesn't itself allow giving you content from other countries which is not allowed in your country. So at least if you change your language of the content, then it is going to give you content based on those languages. So if I select Espanol or any other language right over here and then tap on done at the top right hand side of the screen, TikTok is automatically going to give you and recommend you content based on those languages. Now I have seen other videos where they tell you to come back right over here and then they tell you to simply change this app language at this above the content preferences. But if you change the app languages, you can see it is actually not causing any difference. It is only going to change the language of your application of your TikTok and nothing else. So what you want to do is that is not the option we want to change. Let us go back to our profile, and then first of all I'm going to simply select the app language and then turn it back to English as you can see right over here. So that is only going to simply change the app languages and not recommend you shows or videos or based on those languages. So what you want to do is you want to simply, as we told earlier, you want to go back and then change the content preferences. Once you change the content preferences or your video languages, TikTok will at least recommend you those content based on the languages which you have chose on your TikTok. And at the top also you can see a text which is called your language preference will help us customize your viewing experience, as TikTok itself says that this is the only way, official way to actually change region and then get content based on your preferences on your TikTok account. So as we told you, we hope this guide video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then do make sure to leave a like and subscribe. If you have more questions or queries regarding this, then make sure to leave them down in the comment section. As always, thank you so much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.